you don't really get to know what you're carrying until you travel, or you don't get to analyze the things you carry until you travel. And luggage is one part of it, but more important is spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, what you're carrying, who you are. I was having a conversation with a loved one recently, and we were complaining about the things we weren't taught when we were younger, financial literacy, all these ridiculous things. And then it hit me like a bolt of lightning what our ancestors went through, the magic that they carried, had to hide and preserve, and oftentimes just stand up in for no reward other than to know that they were standing in their truth. And that's the DNA that we have. It's a blessing and an honor and a privilege to carry this truth along. That's what I learned in my travels. It's really, and people can see it when you, in America, it's not really something, culture is not the, culture is more of a commodity in America, but when you go other places where people recognize and respond to culture, they can see us from a mile away, and they're so happy to have us, and it's all love, and it's shocking. I mean, I've been brought to the, I'm pretty sure I cried, but it really just touches you in a way because you can't recognize it while you're here. You have to go places where culture isn't a commodity, it's an actual part of culture. But that was the point, to bring back the gems, and that probably is the richest gem I could give you. Who you are on the inside, it's very visible.